electric bikes can help reduce driving fatigue on top of assisting you in reaching your destination in time and with poise and elegance. With the help of these motorized bikes, you can go without exhaling, panting, or sweating. E-bikes are an excellent investment for people new to fitness and those who want to take cycling a little bit further because they minimize the physical component without eliminating it. However, what you plan to use the e-bike for will determine which one is best for you. Some powered electric bikes are performance engineered, providing an extra boost when navigating tough routes at 20 miles per hour, across rocky terrain, or up steep slopes. You'll need an electronic mountain bike, or EMT, for that. Others fold down for convenient storage and are commuter-friendly while not being the most powerful ones. If you're looking for affordable electric bikes or folding e-bikes, you'll find something for your riding needs in this video featuring our top recommendations. QuietKat Rubicon. With the famous performance you anticipate from the most prestigious off-road brand on the planet and QuietKat's cutting-edge Ebike technology, you can go farther on any trip. The famed off-road capabilities of the Rubicon 4x4 inspired the collaborative design with Jeep. To uphold its reputation as the most influential electric bike on the planet, the Rubicon Ebike has 45% more range. To handle the longest journeys into the bush, use a long-range 21Ah battery. The improved Firelink suspension system provides a smoother ride, better traction, comfort, and capability. The giant fat tires on the market, CSE 26-inch by 4.8-inch, can handle a range of off-road terrain that is challenging. Like your Jeep Rubicon vehicle, the tires may be inflated for hard-packed terrains like rocks and roots and aired down for the best grip in soft sand and snow. To lift even the heaviest loads to the top of the hill, the leading-edge Bafang Ultra Drive 1000-watt available motor delivers unsurpassed peak performance and 160 Nm of torque. You can send it harder than ever thanks to the lifetime warranty and durability of the Rubicon frame. With a 300-pound load capacity for carrying stuff on the bike and even more in tow, this vehicle is designed to move massive loads. The option to change to a set of standard mountain bike tires measuring 29 inches for even greater flexibility. The robust torque sensor motor technology on the Rubicon e-bike provides 1000 watt of nominal power and the performance you need to take on challenging hills with heavy loads. Nireeka Revenant. Revenant is a quick e-bike. Thus, the brakes shouldn't be compromised. A few businesses, including Nireeka, use bicycles with anti-lock braking systems. When you are concerned about your safety on the road, you cannot enjoy the ride. The running daytime light is always on to help you be seen both during the day and at night. The embedded tail light is outfitted with a gyro sensor to activate the brake lights when applying the brakes. The high-contrast LCD on the Revenant HMI provides quick access to all pertinent information. The handlebar buttons are sturdy, easy to use, and provide decent feedback. The HMI complies with a protection rating of IP65 and is shielded from contact and water infiltration. The torque sensor is a purchased option, while the speed sensor is already mounted on the bike. The motor produces the proper torque based on the torque sensor's reading of the force you're delivering to the pedals. If you want to avoid applying excessive pressure to your sensitive knees, cadence sensors are fantastic. Nor too skinny, not too obese. The Revenant has a 27.5-inch by 2.8-inch front tire and a 27.5-inch by 3-inch rear tire. Plus, tires fall between fat tires and the typical mountain tires, which are about 2 inches wide. The Nireeka philosophy has always included stunning hues and excellent drawings. Cyrusher Ranger. The new Ranger model, intended to be our new flagship bike, is loaded with the best features and parts. The Bafang motor, 20 ampere-hour battery, rear suspension shock, color LCD screen display, and distinctive two-color frame will draw attention everywhere you go. This bike is fantastic thanks to its powerful features and aggressive design. The Ranger is ideally suited for larger riders, but shorter riders can still enjoy this fantastic bike thanks to its lower frame design. Wide 26 by 4-inch tires provide traction and stability, and the air suspension in the back will smooth down any humps in your way. You can go farther with an extended range battery. The Cyrusher Ranger is intended to replace the Cyrusher series' previous flagship. Power, comfort, aesthetics, and functionality are all combined in one. Massive fat tires, a color LCD panel, a hidden battery, a new bespoke painting, and an original 2-color frame. You'll feel strong as soon as you set foot on the Ranger. The Cyrusher Ranger is equipped with a 52-volt, 20 mAh lithium-ion battery that can go 20 to 50 miles on a single charge and can accompany you wherever your adventures take you. Charge the bike's battery there, or remove it and do it separately whenever it's convenient for you. The Cyrusher Ranger electric bike is most at home on all terrain. Visit a campground, hit the ski slopes, or ride dirt trails to enjoy nature. You may depend on the beach and, to some extent, even in the rain or cold weather because the motor and battery are waterproof. Stealth Overlander. It is fundamentally a mountain bike with 26-inch wheels and a springy front suspension that quickly absorbs stones on difficult off-road roads. It has the aggressive appearance you would expect from a genuine off-road mountain bike. The electric engine, which can generate an astounding 1,000 watts of electricity, is housed inside the back tire. With it, you'll be able to travel at 30 miles per hour, which you can verify is an excellent speed for tearing across gravel trails. You can ride the e-bike using the motor's power alone by using the throttle, even though the engine can assist you in pedaling. You found it inspiring to tear up slopes powered by the throttle. It converts mountain riding into something akin to motocross, even though you can use it if you're feeling lazy. The Stealth is a smooth ride on or off the road and accelerates quickly even without an engine. Slamming on the gas indeed reduces battery life. With pedal assistance, you may expect to get about 30 miles of range, but when you're just using the throttle for cruising around at top speed, you should anticipate significantly less. With over 100 realistic miles of range on a single charge, the Overlander's huge 800 watt-hour Samsung battery pack has been kicked, punched, poked, and probed to conform to the strictest safety regulations worldwide. The Stealth's powerful motor and robust suspension make it a ton of fun on hillside routes if you want a bike for an intense adventure rather than a city commute. Biktrix Juggernaut Classic 9. The entry-level electric fat-tire all-terrain bike is the Juggernaut Classic 9 Ebike. With a solid mid-drive motor and lots of torque, it can quickly charge up hills, traverse rough terrain, and accelerate down roads. Inexpensive, strong, and capable, the handlebar control pad operates the bright, bicycle battery-powered LED. You and your bike will stay clean thanks to the fenders. Put the rack on and leave. Watch your speed, battery life, range, odometer, level of pedal assistance, and other information on the LCD. You can go through cities, climb hills, and explore easily thanks to the powerful 1200-watt peak and 750-watt rated motor. These tires can handle sand, mud, and snow without any issues. All-weather, all-terrain riding is intended. To start the motor and enjoy the ride, use the thumb throttle. The control pad alters settings and turns the bike on and off. To remove your lithium-ion battery from the bike, turn a key to open it. Choose between 3 different battery sizes that fit the same frame. When climbing hills or traveling at top speed on flat terrain, the Shimano 8-speed is useful. Similar to the Motor Moten, this bicycle has a 6061 aluminum frame and a seat post that is both incredibly adjustable. It is also highly durable. If you even remotely enjoy cycling, purchase one of these bikes and you'll ride constantly. You will find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. Eco-friendly and futuristic products are always our favorites as they cater to the needs of the masses, which is why we are happy to have given you our top picks on this matter. We hope this information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.